We were expecting A, B, C, and he said, "Oh, I've gone for C, option C." And our faces were. There must have been a picture because we just went, "Oh wow!"
And then 2 seconds later, we said, "Yeah, we like it."
It was a quick decision, actually, wasn't it?
It was a quick decision. But it also used the space that wasn't used and meant that you could spend more time together. And it was really important to have your grandchildren in the space
part of it,
as well.
That's right, yeah, definitely,
Which, with knocking it through, they could be playing at one end, they could be helping up at the breakfast bar, they could be in the garden. Definitely. So that connection between the garden and the kitchen as
that
well.
was really important.
Flows all the way through.
Yeah, definitely. And we just said, it just didn't look like our kitchen at all, did it? Or kitchen stroke, whatever.
No, when you see pictures of your existing the little clutter that we had, and then you think, oh dear, that's embarrassing. But you're used to it after that many years. That's
the trouble.
But when you see something that was instant, for me, it was an instant, I like it. When can you do it?
Yeah.